Guys, how to channel here. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download all your Facebook data. So let's dive in. So this is your Facebook. The first step is click on your profile money button, then click on settings, and then you click on the scroll up and you see download your information. Click on your information, click on continue, and know which information you wanted to download, because you can see download and transfer information, and you can just select early when you want to download, click on next, and how much information do you want to do. Is it the available one, and you're gonna pick a specific data you want to download, and this is it. Is it your save item connection? Is it your 14? Is it your messages? Is it your post? Once you click on it, click on next and download your other files, or you want to transfer to a destination. Once you click on next, and you can see create files that you want to use to download. Is it HTML? Is it your JSON? Just click on any file you want to download, and once you are done you can just create files. You can see, and you'll be able to download your, okay, just click on there. It's been prepared for download. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.